What's up guys, this is your boy TechLarge here, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Gear Sports. Now I believe this is the second generation of the Sports. Okay, so here's a quick look around the box. So you got 50 meters of water resistance, advanced fitness tracking with the heart rate monitor and the GPS, compatible with any 20mm straps, and smart notification and apps. So it has got their own software inbuilt, but it's almost like Android OS. So just open the flap, and you first greet it with the instruction manual and warranty. With that, if you lift this up, is the charging pouch, and with the charging dock. Also, you do get like an extra band. I think this is a small version of the band. That's it from there. Then you get the watch itself, take out, and let's have a look around the watch. So here's the watch itself. It's a very beautiful watch. Honestly, it is very beautiful. Just look at that stainless steel design, and there's a beautiful OLED display. There's your strap, there's your heart rate monitor right there. So you do have like a 2-inch or 1.5-inch OLED display with a ring that does tend to show you different information. On the right side, you do have your power button, and your home button. Basically, that top is almost like a shortcut button to anything. So it's a shortcut button and a back button. On the bottom, you do have your heart rate. There is a microphone there because it does have Samsung like a voice built in, and yeah, it's just a beautiful design. So that was it. That was just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Gear Sports watch. If you want me to do a full review, smash that like button. This is your boy SA Tech here, and see you in my next video.